It's Vlogmas, and today we're doing the kids' nighttime routine. I didn't record them playing card games, but they were playing Goldfish and Old Maid before I sent them up to take showers. And it was a late start because Finley didn't want to take a shower, so they didn't get to bed till almost 9. And normally, since it is a school night, they go to bed by 8. But sometimes it doesn't work that way.
Your ice cream cake is the best in Arendelle. The baker
Nodded.
He was a white man with a sprout.
Yeah.
On a black hair at the top of his otherwise bald head. Face.
What are you doing, crazy?
I'm hot.
What are you doing, crazy? You having a seizure? What are you doing?
Turning.
No one wants to smell your stinky feet.
Mommy. And she staggered out the door into the glove. We saw her in the schoolyard, the scene of the attack. She had slime on her forehead and incriminating claw marks on her back.
Come on, lay correct. Let's get blankies on. Come on.
Coming soon to
Come on. Stop. Come on.
Me and Grandpa.
Okay, I'm going to say goodnight and just go to bed.
You're
Love
going
you.
straight to bed.
Love
You're
you.
going straight to bed.
What?
You're going
No, I got to clean.
upstairs.
Good night. I love you. See you in the morning.
Clean my room. When we're sleeping.
No. Good night. I love you. See you in the morning. Go to bed. I don't want to hear your stinky footsteps again. Go to bed.